Hello and welcome to another X-Ray Tech video. Today we're going to be talking about what it's like to work with X-Ray. So X-Ray is responsible for two main things: automation, construction, documentation, and management, and data collection, handling, housing, and visualizations. Really, automations and data are our dojo. That's the stuff that we're ultimately going to be responsible for. But for you, the expectations is that you're able to enable us. So that falls into three main buckets. The first being transparency. We really need you to be honest and open about your processes that are existing now and the things that you do now. I know it can be kind of hard to get that level of detail and to traverse all the different sides of the business, from operations to finance to delivery to project management, or whatever is inside of your company. Every company is so unique that we ask for complete transparency when we're getting into the nitty-gritties of the process. The second thing is access. Now, if you're using an automation software already, something like Zapier or Integromat, you already have access to your own login, right? But we need you to link all of your tools, whether it be Slack and Google Drive and Gmail and whatever other tools that you're using. We need you to link those to your automation software so that we can have access to it too. So you'll either share a password with us via a password manager like LastPass or Dashlane, and then we have access. Without access, we really can't do much. And the last thing is communication. Now, we'll be communicating very regularly together, bidirectionally. So we'll have weekly meetings on Zoom, all of those will be recorded, and we'll be together on Slack. So you can always message us if there's any questions or comments or concerns. But sometimes we get blocked. In the middle of the week, we have access, you told us everything about your process, but for whatever reason we get stuck on something, or we need you to make a decision in order to advance the rest of the automation or the data collection, right? So whenever we get stuck, we're gonna reach out to you on Slack and just say, hey, we need you to make a decision here. And that's really gonna be the three main things that you're responsible for: transparency, access, and of course, communication. Of course, we'll be holding ourselves to the same standard for transparency, access, and communication. Everything that we build it is yours, and you will have access to everything that we build. I hope this video has been helpful for just calibrating your expectations and understanding what it's like to work with us. So as always, links and resources are in the description down below, and don't forget, keep the flow.